Alright guys, today is November 6th and it is Thursday. Today, I don't really want to post this video, but I just want to be the most transparent as I can be with you guys, especially if you're new, something you can relate to. Yeah, I blew my account and I'll just get straight to it. Today, November, like overall this month, not just today, price action has been very forgiving, and I haven't been taking advantage of that, and this is why I lost my trade. I crashed out. I'm gonna rant for a little bit if you guys don't mind. I crashed out. Yes, I was trading during work. Obviously I'm not physically crashing out, but mentally, trading is a lot of it takes a lot of your mental capacity, man. Like, it is truly challenging, and yeah, it's just really hard, when you predict the market and you enter, immediately stops you and then continues to your targets, or like, trying to rush things when your bias is right. You're just not being patient. And honestly, I thought I've been doing really well this month at least. But yeah, you know just psychology part is really hard with trading, and I hope you guys don't discourage with my loss. I hope you guys take it as a learning lesson, and I should be doing that as well. I should set an example, but I haven't been. Well, today I haven't. And yeah, so just a quick rant. Today was really forgiving. Yeah, let's get into it. Ignore this red candle because that's a that's a 4-hour candle that we are trading on. But yeah, so on the 4-hour, I marked out the highs and our low here, and this specific high. Overall, we are bearish, right? We do have this hourly gap down here that we can possibly target if we are bearish, and even these lows, right? um we did disrespect this bearish. We have this bullish, and so yeah, that's it for the 4-hour. Pretty bearish. Hourly, let me take this off. Hourly, same thing. I mark out our highs and lows. We are trending higher, but overall I feel like this is a retracement from that bearish move, right? Wrong candle, or wrong tool, right? We moved how many points? About 880. We can also use the fib, right? We're not over the 79% extension. We tapped the 50 and we're in this gap right now, the 50% and the 62, and we're respecting it. So I'm expecting bearish today, and maybe a retrace to the buy side if ever, right? 30-minute here. We have these Asia lows. I'll mark that down, right? Boom, Asia lows and London lows. The highs have been taken, so I marked that the high and this high. What I did notice is we had a SMT, right? On ES we swept this low. On NQ we did not. So bullish SMT. So yeah, that's basically it. We can just get to market open. Right here, market opens, and immediately we dumped, right? We dumped to Asia and not London yet, but we swept Asia, right? I was patient, and I knew we wanted to take these London lows, so we swept that. We can take out the Asia, and then basically now we're looking for a reversal or an inverse to rebalance this short, right? And we have a 2-minute here, no 3-minute, so let's mark I mark down the 2-minute, wait for the inverse, which we did here, and then I entered on the next candle, this coming candle. Boom. Let's go on the 1-minute. So my stops were at all the way down here, and what am I targeting? These highs, right? We have this buy side here. These look pretty obvious as targets. That's also a 5-minute unfilled and a 15-minute unfilled, so it's a really good target for a 1-to-1 point 46, right? Let's just continue here. I should have went break even there, but I was stubborn and I just put it here, and immediately we got stopped. You know, this is my break even point. Like, I put this here for a reason, and I didn't follow my rule, right? So we already broke that rule. Boom, we took our first L. And so I wanted to trade more because we were only 700 away from passing this account. By the way, this account, we grew from 300 drawdown to 2,300, so we needed 700 more. But yeah, so after that L, I was just being patient. I didn't want to rush anything, and tried to, at least I tried to cool down, right? Until we swept this low. Oh, I don't think we did. Yeah, so here we were approaching this low, but honestly, I don't know. I took this trade. Really stupid of me, because I think we were gonna go bullish after taking those two liquidity. Yes, we edged it here, but I think we took it on. Yeah, we took. Oh, we barely took it on ES. We'll see. Let's look at ES real quick on the next candle. Huh? No, we didn't. Yeah. So it was a pretty risky long, but I'm pretty sure we needed a retrace anyways, because from this morning we moved down by a lot, right? Wait, why is it doing that? We moved down 400 points. I wanted a retrace to the 5-minute or the 15, like on the first trade, right? So here I flipped bias, and I think it's valid because we disrespected this 4-hour bullish, right? Bullish. We disrespected it, and now we're gonna continue lower, which should have been my bias. Now that I reevaluate what I was thinking, yes, I was looking for shorts, right? So what did I wait? I looked at the 5-minute. We had this 5-minute gap here, here, and here, and like, we just tapped the gap right here. Look for the 1-minute inverse. I entered, and I was just targeting this red. This red is would have made my account pass, like even including the loss we took earlier, right? So boom, we just like barely missed this, and again, break even, right? I didn't take the break even when I should have, and I'm just breaking my rules. And yeah, so another L. I'm like, damn, what am I doing? So we were gonna long like earlier to these 5-minute and 15-minute imbalances. So let me take that here. We inversed this bearish, and I just entered. Boom, entered there. Right here should have been my break even again, and I'm just targeting these 5 minute. It should have been like this, but I was targeting a 1-to-1 at least, right? Um, Wait, did I take this trade? No, this one I didn't take. Um, I should have, but I didn't. This was a you can say paper trade, just like what was in my mind. Like that would have hit, and then this I re-entered on. Why? Why did I enter on this one? I don't know, cause I saw that. I do know, cause I saw that this trade was working out, so I just entered. I was like, fuck it. We're really gonna move to the 5 minute and 15 minute unfilled that I marked out earlier. So fuck it. I entered, immediate loss, and I just lost my account. So when I say November has been really forgiving, yes, we tapped and we inversed this, but now that I look at it, and I marked this out too. I don't know why I'm taking these trades, man. It's just annoying, and it's just FOMO working on me. This was the first imbalance. Obviously, we're gonna tap to it. Like, I know this, and yet I'm still taking the trades because it might run. It's simply that, being greedy as fuck and just not following what you know instead of being FOMO. It's just being FOMO, right? So we have this 5 and this 5, and then if you move here, this is also a 15 minute, not down here, not the 5 minute there, right? See? So it would have been cleaner to say, hey, we have a 15 bearish gap here. This is what we're gonna tap into. It's also the 5 minutes here, and so boom. This is where I should have shorted, right? I didn't take this trade. Obviously, I already lost my account. There's a 2 minute inverse here. This is the leg that you should be trading, but it's already the 2 minute. 3 minute would be way too low, so the 2 minute inverse here you could have taken. Boom, short, boom, right? Stops at this high, targeting these lows. It's equal low now because we didn't even sweep this, and we still have that low down there, even possibly even here, right, if you really wanted to. And let's see how this plays out. Right, boom, full TP, man, and some more, and change. Like, November price action, very forgiving, and I'm not taking advantage, and I'm just taking this time for granted, man, and it just sucks because I'm a better trader than this. I know how to trade. I'm just really greedy. I'm really impatient, and the only way to learn from this is literally you just have to experience it. There's no mentor. There's no one who's gonna teach you this except for yourself, and it's your own psychology, right? There's only so much a mentor can do for you, and the mental stuff is all you. They can give you the advice you need. It's up to you if you want to take it or not. So for me, I don't think you need any mentors in this game. Maybe if you're just new, that's literally it. The rest of that, it's all psychology, man. But yeah, it's really hard for me to post this. It's like 11:51 p.m. I usually post around this time anyways and record. But yeah, I just wanted to be really clear and transparent with you guys because I know some people are struggling just like me. And I'm about 9 months, yeah, hit 9 months trading, no payout, unprofitable, and I've been passing evals, just no payouts. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the results right here. Obviously, challenge failed. It does say I have 61 balance, but it's whatever, right? From 300 to 2,300, and then to fully blowing it, loss of 1,600. Just sucks, man. Here are the losses, the 3 trades I took. And yeah, that's basically it. Big L's for me. I should learn from this. You know, tomorrow's Friday. I'll probably get a new account. You know, I'm not stressing too much because it is an eval. But man, at some point it gets tiring blowing evals. Like, I'm not getting anywhere, right? And I mean, I hope you guys took a W. I know a lot of people did. I unfortunately did not. And that's okay. You know, I just gotta keep my head up, fight my inner demons. But yeah, that is it for me today. I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.